Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. This is another revlogging. The size is 2,414 square meters pero nakuhaan na ni sa lawyer og 200 square meters, natipakan og 200 square meters. For sale raman sad noon. Pero karon guys, ang kini nga sitwasyon mahimo na gyud ni nga rush sale. Before we publish at 3.5. Now the son of the owner called me that they will reduce the price into 2,500 per square meter. Our location is Barangay Berhin or somewhere in Cabagnaw. They called it Cabagnaw, Anda, Bohol. So I don't know where this barangay belong, Cabagnaw, because there is a Cabagnaw cave very close from this property. It has a wide frontage. Then walking distance to the beach approximately 200 meters away from the beach. Ideal for commercial and residential. Then soon to be concrete na, kilimpyuhan na. Sa unahan na niga may concrete na gyud guys. So and this is the white sand beaches. This can be like a public beach na daghang nga bangka, pero nindot kayo kaliguan open to the public ra ang beach guys. So siguro owner will allow half of the portion of the land, mga 1,000. Hindi ginato makaya, pero pwede ra sa nato doon. Kay 2.5 ra magyud ang ilang presyo pagkakaron kay emergency man. So maayo siguro if you are interested, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. I repeat, 2,414 nakuhaan na nig 200, so mga 2,200 na lang. Then walking distance to this white sand beaches in Cabagnaw and Bohol. Okay, very rush sale kay kinahanglanon sa hospital ang papa. Okay, the father was already hospitalized and they need financial. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.